A construction site is always in motion, but one unsafe act can change everything. Every worker must know what not to do and what must always be done. Let's start with what should never happen on site. Never walk or work under a suspended load. Never allow distractions like mobile phones in active work areas. And when working near edges or height zones, proper barricading is essential. Never try to open electrical panels without authorization. But safety isn't only about avoiding mistakes. It's about doing the right things every day. And when performing cutting or grinding work, never ignore the required PPE. Keep the workplace clean by disposing of waste properly. Before stepping onto scaffolding, check the green tag. It means the structure has been inspected and is safe to use. When working at height, always wear a safety harness. And no matter where you are on the site, never forget your mandatory PPEs. In construction, safety is not just a rule. It is a responsibility shared by everyone on site.